Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a VLOOKUP in Airtable, alright? So the same feature you have in Excel, simply translated here. How do you do that? I saw so many tutorials, but I didn't, but now is the only time I figure it out. So basically, what we do is this. We have a list of names, for example, we need the URL for, right? So what we'll do, in another table we have the URL and we have the name. It's very important that we find like a column that is the same between the two tables, right? So, for example, you see, I could use the name in this table to go in the other table and look up for the website, right? Like you do in Excel, simply. So, the only difference is that here we need to create a new column, okay, that is gonna have our primary key. Like in database language, the primary key is the one that like basically can like link with other websites, okay, with other databases. So basically, let's do linked new record, all right, for our primary key. We select the table where we want the lookup to be in, right? We don't allow multiple one-to-many relationships, and then we just say primary. Yes, I just like it to be like this. Then we just need to tell them, hey, what are the things you're looking for? In this case, is notes for it because it's the website, and it's basically done. You don't even need this. So basically, notes in our case is the website URL, right? So hey, you might say, but we don't see anything in our site. This is the trick. You should select one by one, but I found a solution to that also. Just Ctrl-Shift down, copy, then Ctrl-V. So it copies the primary key and it does the lookup automatically, like that. So this is like a small secret. Then, of course, you could always filter, for example. You could sort them A to Z to see the gaps. You could filter them. You could like see the hidden fields. You could filter like only the ones that are not empty. You can do so many things. Like you can group them by name. Yeah, but they are all the same, so they're different. So then that's it. This is how to do a VLOOKUP in Airtable. Very, very simple. I might do a video also about how to do like count if kind of thing, which is like, I think it's called rollup. But for now, this is what we have. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment down below and I'll answer them personally. See you.